Hello everyone. Wanna quickly find and cancel all the subscriptions on your Android phone? Here's how to do that. Subscriptions may be sneaky. You may forget that you subscribed and then you're getting your money off your bank card. So let's stop this. Let's open up our Play Store. Now let's tap on our account icon at the top right corner. Here in this list, you're to press Payments and Subscriptions. So first of all, you can see your payment methods. If you're gonna tap here, here are your card. You can add up more cards. You can add up your PayPal. You can add up your PaySafe card and use any code if you have it, of course. Purchase, so you can enable biometric verification. So any sudden subscriptions and unwanted subscriptions won't happen because you'll see verify window. You'll think twice, of course. And budget and history, of course. So here you can see the list of your subscriptions which ever happened and how much money did you use. So let's go straight to the topic. Let's press subscriptions, and here you can see all the active subscriptions. I have YouTube Premium. Let's cancel it. So simply tap on it. Here you can see primary payment method, which you can update if you just want to change the payment method and not cancel it. Backup payment method, which you can set up. For example, one card is out of money, the second one has money, so you can enable both of them so your subscriptions would be canceled unless you wanted to. Or in order just to cancel it, press cancel subscriptions. Now select reason for canceling. I don't use the service enough, press cancel subscription, and it's canceled. Basically, that's it. You can resubscribe immediately without entering anything additional. It's quite easy to do. Or you can simply close this window and you will be done with this subscription. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.